seriously think this Eastwood Epoxy roll-on primer is one of the best. Scuff pad, tray, roller, little foam brush. Got this done today. Looks good. Reason why I love it, I don't have to cover this car up at all. I don't have to worry about overspray. I can actually work on this car that I purchased. It had some surface rust and some rust in the floor pan, and didn't feel like taking it to a shop. So all I did is scuffed it up, cleaned it real good, used that prep all wax and grease removal, did a couple coats. Don't have to worry about my trim. All I used was a shirt to cover any drips. Love that primer. Highly recommend it. Look, I don't have to worry about any of my parts getting stained. No drips. Surface rust there. There's a hole there, but I'm not gonna fix it for now. That's my main project, the RX3. Rust there. I didn't feel like taking the sound deadening mats off as well there. I took some of the mat off there because it was coming loose, so that means water was coming in when they were working on it. But see how good this is. I can actually roll the areas, brush the areas that are affected, and move on, you know. That's all I did. I did a little bit over here. I didn't have to do that much. Just needed to waste the primer somewhere. But now I can focus on the other car, enjoy this car, driving it around. That's what I bought it for. But that was bugging me. So now I may brush it on and paint it. We'll see. But definitely, if you're thinking about getting an epoxy primer, this is the way to go. I've been working on epoxying this whole RX3. I did some parts here, little by little, working on it. And that's the best thing about it, that I don't have to worry about any other project, covering up, overspray all over my things and toys. That's what my wife says. All I gotta do is scuff it up outside, bring it in, clean it, and I'm done. Real perfect. Video quality, I'm not that good recording, but you get the point. It's definitely worth buying. Look at that. And it dries so good. And it just flows perfectly. I don't have to worry about my brand new trim, gaskets or anything getting stained with overspray. It's a headache to cover all this just to spray it. So highly recommend this. You can spray it, but definitely awesome product. Eastwood outdid themselves.